sunbeds. We have lots of lounging area. We have a nice little bench up front, and then we have two little seats that you can kind of hang off the bow over here. In this bag is going to be our sun circle that we can kind of hang off the back of the boat and just chill in. Lots of cup holders up here, lots of places to put your snacks. I also love this little stairway, so this will bring us right up to the bridge. The flybridge on this boat is amazing. It's huge, it's spacious, there's so much room for people to sit and accompany the captain while he's driving. Up here, nice little counter with some drink holders, two little lounge sides on each side of the captain's steering. We have a great place to sit, eat dinner, eat breakfast, whatever you'd like. This table also does flip out to make it larger. And then in the back is my favorite sunbed. Go take a peek. We will be spending a lot of time out here on this sunbed. The vessel does also come with multiple coolers, and it comes with beach chairs that we can take with us. There is a grill up top. There's also a refrigerator up here too. And there's a nice little washing station sink. So I love that. You have everything you need up here. And then let's take a peek and show you the downstairs. All right, here on the aft, we have another great big dining space. You can easily fit 8 to 10 people. Again, additional chairs. There were beach chairs that you can pop open over here. Another cooler down here to keep your drinks cold. This is one of my favorite parts of the boat. We don't have it open right now, but it pops up as a window and kind of like a bar area to the inside. So you have 3 little bar stools here. All right, so this is one of my favorite parts, this little bar stool area that kind of gives you a peekaboo window into the kitchen and into the inside. We have 3 bar stools here, and then it just gives you a nice little peek into the living space. Alright, so inside, this boat is so much more spacious than I even imagined that it would be. This thing is amazing. So we have a pretty big size kitchen. We have a microwave. We have our sink here. We have all of our utensils, plates, service cups, everything, so we can cook anything we wanted here. Knives, blender, coffee maker, toaster, just tons of storage, and also items just to get us started, cleaning supplies, trash bags, all of that. We did also do some provisioning too, so we have just some stragglers hanging around. We got fresh bread, bananas, chips, milk, champagne, we got beer, water, and then the fridge is also stocked for us too. Just some little beginners. So we have a full-size fridge, we have a full-size freezer down below. Some ice, and then into, actually if you want to show in here, This is like all of your navigation buttons, radio, everything in there. We do have a captain, so hopefully we won't need to touch any of the buttons. But, alright, so again, another great big living area in here for if it's some rainy days or anything like that. This does pull out into a bed if we needed it to. We could have additional sleeping quarters. Nice big flat screen TV. Another little couch over here. And then the bedrooms are kind of split 2 on 2 on each side. And then we have the master bedroom in the front. So let's go take a peek. Alright, so heading down here, there's 2 bedrooms on this side and also 2 bathrooms on this side. So this bedroom here could definitely comfortably sleep 2 adults, no problem at all. Got reading lights, we have chargers on each side, USB ports on each side. We have fans in here too. There is also a closet. here. So tons and tons of storage on this boat. I love it already. And then in here into the bathroom, full-size bathroom, stand-up shower, toilet, sink combo. And again, there is some extra storage up top in the bathroom too. Full-length mirror in the bathroom, full-length mirror outside of the bathroom. We have a full-size closet in here, shelving. And then another full-size shelving closet in here. Both double doors do open. And then a third closet in there as well. So this would be the second bedroom. Again, comfortably sleep 2 guests here. Lots more storage up top. These ceilings are so tall. So even if you were like 6'5", you have more than enough headspace than you would need in here. And then we have some more storage. Tons and tons of storage. There's storage under here. You can easily fit a carry-on luggage. And then one more bathroom. So you can kind of see like how spacious this bathroom is, especially for being on a boat. Nice stand-up shower. I'd say probably about the size of a cruise ship shower. So now we're gonna pop on over to the other side and I'll show you the other 2 bedrooms on this side. So this will be the port side. Very large, spacious bedroom over here. Lots of space to move around on either side. It's pretty much a mirror image of the cabin on the other side. And then in here is the other bathroom. So again, very generously sized for a boat bathroom. Same storage that was on the other side, the 2 hanging walkers with the shelves. And then over here on this side we have the bunk room, so you can sleep 2 additional people. There are some fans in there. There's still tons of storage on all of the steps there. Alright, so let's go check out the owner's suite. This suite here has a king-size bed, tons of space to walk around. There is some closet storage behind in that corner. What's really nice about this is everything is all one level, one floor. There's no like steps that you need to worry about, and it feeds you right into the bathroom area. So this vanity does have, again, tons more storage here, tons of storage for bathroom amenities down below. Very nice size shower with a nice little window. And then over there into the private toilet area. So that sums up our first ever boat tour, or yacht tour of an Aquila 50 here at Marine Max in Manny Cay, Tortola. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it a little bit helpful, and hope you're lucky enough to do this in your travels.
Thank you for watching and safe travels.